They are beautiful, aren't they?
Dad, can we see the monkeys next?
Yes, but stay close to us.
This zoo is so big!
There are many people here today.
Everyone remember the family rule.
Stay with Mom and Dad.
Let's take a family picture here.
Smile, Ben. This is the best day ever!
Mom and I will get safari tickets.
Lily, stay here with Ben.
We'll wait here. I want to see it! Ben, wait! Ben, don't run! Mom? Dad? I can't. I want Mom. Someone who works here. Excuse me.
Hello, are you okay?
We are lost. We can't find our parents.
Don't worry, you're safe.
Do you know your parents' names?
Stay here while I call security.
Security, I found 2 lost children.
Copy. We will notify the parents.
David, where are Lily and Ben?
Lily! Ben!
Where are you?
Oh no, they're gone!
Stay calm. We'll find them.
Please help us! Our children are missing!
Tell me their names.
Oh, Lily and Ben.
Lily is wearing yellow. Ben has a blue shirt.
We are searching now for any spatial IQ. We are looking for Lily and Ben. Please report to staff if seen.
I'm so scared.
We will find them.
Lily, when will Mom come? They are looking for us. I don't want to be lost.
We are safe here.
They are safe now.
Thank goodness. At the bird garden station.
Lily! Ha ha!
Ben! Thank goodness you're safe.
We were scared, but we stayed together.
I'm sorry I ran away. It's okay. You're safe now.
Oh, you both did the right thing.
They were very brave. Thank you for helping them. I sprayed drunken them.
You're very welcome.
I'm glad I could help.
Lily stayed calm and protected Ben.
We're proud of you. I remembered what you taught us.
That's what family does.
Always stay together.
I promise I won't run away again. I'm glad we came here today.
Us? But this time, everyone stays close.
Let's take another family photo.
I love our family.
This was a scary adventure.
But we learned something important.
Stay calm when you're lost. Find a safe grown-up.
And never leave your family.
That's right.
Can we see the giraffes again? And the monkeys too?
Yes, but together.
Together is best. Together is safe. Together is fun.
Ready for the safari bus?
Ready?